Today's job on the truck, we're putting new front shocks on. Rancheros, I've already got Rancheros on the back, but we're off to a head start. These were picked up as an advisor on the MOT last year that I get them replaced. They're just the bog standard daily driver ones from Rock Auto. So we've gone with the upgraded version. Hopefully we get a bit more life out of these. Like the ones on the back, they still look pretty good condition to be fair. That's one of them there. There we go. So we've already got one off. There they are together. Relatively simple job to do on these trucks to replace these. So we've done the other side, we're now on this side, and you just need the simple tools of taking off the big bottom bolt. Is a 13/16 spanner, a socket, the Ugga Dugga for the bottom one, and then on the top you just need a three-quarter with the 3/4 spanner. And then don't forget your trusty mamby-pamby headphones if you suffer with crippling tinnitus like me. And then obviously a brush just to sweep it all up afterwards. But fairly straightforward. And that's it. They're on. Sitting pretty. The other one over there as well. Not a bad little job. Just makes it look a bit better underneath with the MOT.